Hey there, Adam here. Today I want to show you how to make and copy a table in Notion. So as you'll see, I already have a sample table with a little bit of data in it. To make a table, you're just going to do backslash, type in table, or of course you can just do it the old-fashioned way. Click on the plus sign, scroll down until you find it. So I'm just going to click on table. You've got a table. You can add additional columns. You can add additional rows. But to copy it, you are going to click on and drag. So you have the whole thing. Go at the top, three dots, and click on duplicate or Control D. You could also, another way is just to copy and paste. So just copy it, Control C, Control V, and now you've got copies of your tables. All right. I hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.